The pickup truck market is in for another major shakeup because Volkswagen has just unveiled a game-changing affordable pickup that's set to outshine the Maverick. And despite the low price point, it'll be a full-featured workhorse that delivers capability, called the Volkswagen Tarok. While Ford and Hyundai have been fighting for the affordable truck crown, the German automaker just crashed the party. Volkswagen CEO releases a new $16,000 pickup truck and wows everyone. The Volkswagen Revolution. In a world where pickup trucks keep getting bigger, bulkier, and more expensive, Volkswagen has taken a completely different approach. The German automaker is bringing something truly revolutionary to the market, an affordable compact pickup that doesn't sacrifice capability for price. The Tarok isn't just another entry in the pickup segment, it's a complete reimagining of what an affordable pickup truck can be. What makes the Tarok special is Volkswagen's innovative approach to the pickup formula. Unlike traditional American trucks that prioritize size above all else, the Tarok embraces a more European philosophy of practical design and efficient use of space. This compact pickup is built on Volkswagen's versatile MQB platform, the same architecture that underpins many of their successful cars and crossovers. But don't let that fool you. This isn't just a car with a bed. The Tarok is engineered from the ground up to deliver genuine truck capabilities in a right-sized package. The genius of the Tarok concept lies in its versatility. With an innovative pass-through system that connects the bed to the cabin, this compact pickup can handle cargo up to 6 feet long despite its modest footprint. This is the kind of practical thinking that has been missing from the American truck market for decades, and it's just one of its numerous amazing features, so let's go on. Exterior design. One look at the Volkswagen Tarok and you know this isn't your typical pickup truck. Volkswagen's designers have created something that stands out from the sea of boxy, aggressive trucks currently dominating American roads. The Tarok features a bold yet sophisticated design language that's distinctly European while still conveying capability and strength. The front end showcases VW's modern design language with a wide grille that seamlessly integrates with LED headlights, creating a distinctive light signature that's instantly recognizable day or night. Unlike the overly aggressive faces of many American pickups, the Tarok's expression is confident without being intimidating, a perfect reflection of its practical, no-nonsense approach. From the side, the Tarok reveals its clever proportions. At 193.5 inches long with a 117-inch wheelbase, it slots perfectly between compact and mid-sized pickups, offering the best of both worlds. This isn't by accident. Volkswagen meticulously engineered the Tarok to maximize interior space and bed utility while maintaining a footprint that works in urban environments. Speaking of the bed, this is where the Tarok truly innovates. The standard bed length of 47.5 inches might seem modest, but the Tarok has a secret weapon, a foldable rear wall that extends the bed length to 73 inches when the rear seats are folded down. This innovative variable load area means you can carry longer items without needing a full-size truck. For weekend warriors and DIY enthusiasts, this clever solution provides full-size functionality in a compact package. The Tarok doesn't just look good, it's designed to work. With a respectable ground clearance and short overhangs, it offers approach and departure angles that make it surprisingly capable off the beaten path. Whether navigating city streets or venturing onto dirt roads, the Tarok's dimensions and design make it a versatile companion for both everyday use and weekend adventures. Interior design. The interior of the Volkswagen Tarok offers an impressive balance between functionality and comfort. Unlike many entry-level trucks that prioritize durability at the expense of design, the Tarok offers a cabin that feels modern and well-appointed. Volkswagen has clearly drawn from their experience with passenger cars to create a pickup interior that doesn't feel like a compromise. The dashboard features a clean horizontal design that emphasizes width, creating an open, spacious feeling despite the Tarok's compact exterior dimensions. Front and center is a fully digital cockpit that includes a customizable instrument cluster and a large touchscreen infotainment system that supports Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and Volkswagen's latest connectivity features. This isn't stripped-down tech, it's the same sophisticated system found in VW's premium models. What truly sets the Tarok apart from other budget pickups is the thoughtful use of materials. The seats feature a distinctive two-tone design with contrast stitching, while the dashboard incorporates colored panels that add visual interest without looking cheap. Even the steering wheel, often an afterthought in affordable vehicles, is properly contoured and wrapped in quality materials that feel good in your hands. But the Tarok's interior isn't just about looking good, it's designed with genuine versatility in mind. The rear seats accommodate 3 passengers comfortably, but the real magic happens when you fold them down. The innovative folding rear wall between the cabin and bed creates a truly flexible cargo space that can adapt to whatever you're hauling. It's a fundamentally useful feature that addresses the real needs of truck owners who don't want or need a massive full-size pickup. Climate controls, seat adjustments, and other frequently used functions rely on physical buttons and knobs rather than being buried in touchscreen menus. A practical approach that acknowledges that this is a vehicle that will be often used with work gloves or dirty hands. It's this kind of thoughtful design that demonstrates that Volkswagen truly understands what pickup buyers need, even if they've been absent from the American truck market for decades. Powertrain and performance. Under the hood, the Volkswagen Tarok proves that you don't need a massive V8 or a turbocharged V6 to deliver capable truck performance. The concept features Volkswagen's proven 1.4-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine producing 147 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. Numbers that might seem modest until you consider the Tarok's lightweight construction and focus on efficiency. This isn't about winning drag races, it's about delivering the right balance of power, efficiency, and capability for real-world use. The engine is paired with Volkswagen's smooth-shifting 8-speed automatic transmission, sending power to all 4 wheels through the company's 4-motion all-wheel drive system. Unlike basic all-wheel drive systems found in many crossovers, the Tarok's 4-motion includes selectable driving modes optimized for different surfaces and conditions. What's truly impressive is how Volkswagen has engineered this powertrain for the specific demands of pickup truck duty. With a targeted payload capacity of around 2,200 pounds, the Tarok can actually haul more than some mid-sized trucks, costing nearly twice as much. Towing capacity is expected to be around 4,000 pounds, more than enough for a small boat, camper, or utility trailer, as much as the far more powerful Maverick. While US fuel economy ratings haven't been finalized, the Tarok is expected to deliver combined mileage in the low 30s, territory that's simply unreachable for conventional body-on-frame trucks. For small business owners and weekend warriors who count every dollar, the savings at the pump could add thousands to the already compelling value proposition. For those who might question whether a 4-cylinder pickup could handle real truck duties, Volkswagen has an answer. The Tarok concept features a reinforced chassis, upgraded cooling system, and specialized transmission tuning specifically developed for towing and hauling. Once again, this isn't just a car with a bed. It's a purpose-built pickup that happens to utilize efficient European engineering rather than the brute force approach of traditional American trucks. Pricing and release date. Now here's the most shocking part of the Volkswagen Tarok story: the price. While many thought the days of truly affordable pickups were long gone, Volkswagen CEO is preparing to introduce this game-changer to the American market with a starting price of just $16,000. Yes, you heard that right. $16,000 for a fully capable, feature-rich pickup truck. How is this possible when the cheapest Ford Maverick and Hyundai Santa Cruz have gotten pretty close to the $30K mark? The answer lies in Volkswagen's global scale, manufacturing efficiency, and willingness to challenge the status quo. By leveraging their existing MQB platform and global supply chain, VW can deliver this truck at a price point that seemed impossible just a few years ago. The company hasn't yet announced the exact trim levels and option packages, but sources close to Volkswagen suggest even fully loaded models will remain under 25 grand. Still less than the base price of the competitors. Standard equipment is expected to be generous, with even entry-level models including the digital cockpit, smartphone integration, and the innovative flexible bed system. As for when American buyers can get their hands on this revolutionary pickup, Volkswagen CEO has confirmed the Tarok will arrive on US shores within the next year or two. The exact timing remains flexible as the company finalizes production details, but what's certain is that when it does arrive, it'll shake up the pickup market like nothing else in recent memory. Volkswagen isn't just dipping a toe into the American pickup market, they're diving in with a vehicle that addresses the exact needs of buyers who have been priced out of traditional trucks. For compact truck enthusiasts, small business owners, and budget-conscious consumers who need genuine utility, the wait for the Tarok will undoubtedly be worth it. But Ford isn't just sitting back and letting the newcomers grab their slice of the pie. The Blue Oval has some big updates coming next year, and if you want to know what's in store, check this video on the 6 biggest changes coming to the 2026 Maverick, which you can now see on your screen. You won't believe how much Ford is changing this time around. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.